channel Chitra's Journey. So the intention about making this video is sharing all the information with you all people about the things that you guys need to bring along with you while shifting to USA. And let me introduce to you myself first. I am a software engineer and currently I'm living in California, USA, and I am from Delhi, India. And I moved to California 1.5 years back. So the biggest challenge that I faced back then was to decide what to bring and what not to bring along with me. So, and first of all, let me tell you that this video is going to be both in English and Hindi, like basically English, so that this information could be useful to many people out there. So, and also one thing, I am going to create a playlist about it, like about different stuff that you guys need to bring along. And this video is particularly going to be about the only girl things, like what we all need to bring along with us. So let's get started. So very first thing that you guys need to bring along with you are your ethnic wears. यहाँ पे festivals बहुत अच्छे से मनाए जाते हैं. आई थिंक इंडिया में भी मैंने शायद इतने अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया जितना कि मैंने यहाँ आगे सेलिब्रेट किया है. सो it is like recommended to bring a good number of your ethnic wear along with you. 2-3 pairs of अपने suits रख लो या 2-3 sarees रख लीजिए, but make sure that you're bringing them along with you. You can bring more as well if you are going to wear them casually or daily wear also. So that is going to be very useful to you. ऐसा नहीं है कि you will not get them over here, you cannot buy them here. You can definitely get them here, but it's going to be little expensive for you guys, and I'm not sure like even if you'll get what you really want. Like the number of varieties, like number of styles could be different from what you would prefer. So it's better if you already have them and you can bring them to US along with you. So moving on to the next topic, that is the female hygiene. So the very important thing that we are always worried about, like whether we'll be getting the proper napkins or not, because the same brands that we have been using up till now in India, you will, it's sure that you will not get them here. Like for example, in my case, I have been using Whisper in India like from a long time. So मैं बहुत worried थी कि पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा, because to me that is more reliable, and here the reliability is of utmost importance, if you know what I'm trying to say. So when I came here, I made sure that I am bringing along with me 2 packets in reserve for myself for the next 3 to 4 months, so that if I don't get something which I can rely on, I can use this. So what I will recommend you guys is आपको जितना सही लगे उतना आप इंडिया से ले आइए अपने लिए. आप जो भी नैपकिन या टैम्पन्स जो भी आप यूज़ करती हैं आप अपने साथ लेकर आए. और यहाँ पे भी दे आर many products seriously, and so I haven't explored them a lot, but there's this brand which is quite close to Whisper, this brand Always. ये आपको ईजिली यहाँ के डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स, यहाँ के ग्रॉसरी स्टोर्स, मतलब जैसे वॉलमार्ट हो गए, टारगेट हो गए, कॉस्टको हो गए, हर जगह मिल जाएंगे. तो इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर टू Whisper, just the brand name is different. So it took me some time to rely on this. So अगर आपको भी इशू है, थोड़ा ट्रस्ट इश्यूज है, तो आप अपने साथ अपने जो भी आप नैपकिन यूज़ करते हैं जिस भी ब्रांड का, आप अपने साथ कुछ 2-3 महीने के रिजर्व के हिसाब से ले आइए, एंड यू कैन ट्राई प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक दिस, एंड देयर आर मेनी अदर्स, and you can easily get them here. So let's talk about the third topic now, that is your makeup products. So I would suggest that if you do a lot of makeup and you already have lots of them, then I would suggest don't bring along with you a lot many, because let me tell you, यहाँ पे US में makeup products बहुत ही अच्छे क्वालिटी के मिलते हैं, and their prices are also very like budget friendly and very you know, you can afford them easily. And the main part is the quality is very good and the variety is very huge. So you don't have to bring a lot of makeups from India, especially अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आप उसे खरीद के लाने वाले हैं तो आप बिल्कुल भी मत लाइएगा. And यहाँ पे you can get a lot many products. So मतलब they are really good, man. मतलब I am personally a big fan of makeup products, and so I have explored a lot. I can make a separate video about them if needed, and but for now I would recommend you that please don't buy and bring new makeup products with you. Although it's a different thing that अगर आपको किसी चीज़ में अगर ट्रस्ट है, आपको वही यूज़ करना है तो आप ले आइए. एंड बट यहाँ पे भी आके आई वुड रिकमेंड कि आप आके एक्सप्लोर कीजिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं एंड बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइस पे मिलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन टेल यू दैट यू कैन गेट products of big brands which may cost around 3,000-4,000 bucks easily in India, back in India, if you're ordering them from Nykaa or any other e-commerce websites. That 3,000-4,000 products you can easily get here for good like $10 to $15, which will amount to nearly like 1,200 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 800 rupees, right? So it is that cheap and that good of in quality, and अच्छे premium luxury brands भी मिल जाते हैं. So that is it about the makeup. Moving on to our next item, that is your grooming. So जब आप US आएंगे guys, let me tell you, आपको बहुत बड़ा शॉक लगने वाला है, because यहाँ पे grooming services and salons are not very like they're very expensive compared to India. So when for example in my case, जब मैं आई थी यहाँ पे and I went to an Indian salon to get my eyebrows threaded, I was shocked to see that how much I had to pay. So for a normal eyebrow threading I had to pay $15. Can you imagine? $15, which is roughly around 1,200 rupees, Indian rupees. So that was a very that was very expensive for me for the eyebrows. And the most maximum amount that I have paid for getting my eyebrows done back in India was around 80 rupees, I believe. Yeah, 80 rupees. And यहाँ पे 1,200 rupees. मतलब कोई comparison ही नहीं है. And ऐसा नहीं है कुछ they are going to do something very different to your eyebrows. They are doing the same job that you were getting it done back in India. So this is going to be very expensive. And same is the case with your haircut, getting your waxing done or whatnot, like any other grooming services that you get to do. So यहाँ पर I would recommend you, what I do is so back in India during COVID also there was a situation where we were not allowed to go out and everything was shut. So वहाँ पे भी you might have had experienced the same. आईब्रोज को लेके, हेयर कट को लेके काफ़ी इश्यूज होते थे. तभी मैंने आईब्रोज को थोड़ा शेप करना अपने आप सीख लिया था. तो that particular learning has helped me up till now, like over here as well. So what I have started here doing is I have brought with myself a pair of tweezers, or you can buy it easily over here also. No need to bring it from India. I didn't know back then कि कौन सी चीज़ कब कहाँ कैसे मिलेगी, तो मैं अपने साथ ले आई थी. Tweezer से I easily pluck off my extra hair, eyebrow hair, and every weekend or maybe once in 2 weeks, and that helps a lot to keep my eyebrows in shape. And दूसरा suggestion that I would recommend is कि यहाँ पर ये eyebrow razors या epilators कह सकते हैं हम इसको, बहुत ही like this is very useful, guys. I have recently started using it. You can easily it operates on battery. You can easily like shape your eyebrows with this, and it is very useful. I use it a lot, and this is very मतलब उसमें कोई पेन भी नहीं होता, and आपको बहुत यूज़र फ्रेंडली लगेगा. and you won't believe the cost of it is equivalent to one threading session in a salon. So 15 या $18 में मैंने इसको खरीदा था, and it is very very useful. It lasts. This battery, this is the first battery that I have been using with this, and it is very very useful. So don't forget to bring this. I mean, don't forget to buy this. You don't have to bring it from India. I'm sorry, I don't have to bring it from India. You can get it very easily here. So please do try this. So this will help you in your many things, like getting extra hairs removed from your face. Whatever you want to do, you can get it done with this. So moving on to the next topic is the hair equipment. So यहाँ पर आपको कोई भी equipment अपने साथ लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because firstly the voltage difference, there is a voltage difference between India and US. India में I think we use 220 volts and here we are using 110 volts. So कोई भी appliances आप use कर सकते हैं. There are certain transformers, like converters, that you can use to use the same appliances that you were using back in India, and you can use the same in US using those converters. But I would recommend that don't bring your equipments along with you. Leave it back in India, so that जब आप इंडिया वापस जाएंगे तो आपके पास वहाँ भी कोई ऑप्शन होगा उसे यूज़ करने का. I mean, जब छुट्टियों में वेकेशंस में आप जाएंगे तो what I would recommend is जब आप यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं तो आप यहीं से खरीद लेंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इंडिया से कहीं ज़्यादा वैराइटीज़ में मिलती हैं ये सब चीज़ें, एंड comparatively they are cheaper and of very good quality. So I would really suggest not to bring any kind of equipments, your hair equipments or any other equipment that you use in your grooming from India. Don't bring them. You can easily get them over here from any, like there are many stores. When you will come here, you will get to see there are Walmart, there are Best Buy, there are Target, there is Costco. You can get all these stuff and very good quality and good brands and at a cheaper rate from India. So don't bring them along with you. And this brings us to our next topic, that is your hair and skin problems. So let me tell you that this is very general, right? This is very general that if you shift from one environment to another environment, your skin and your hair, they are going to suffer because they undergo some kind of stress, some environmental changes. So they will be affected by it. So really don't stress about it. When you come from India to USA, everyone gets it, and you will also get it, the hair fall and the skin problems, and that is very normal until and unless it is like really causing you some worries, like they are itchy, they are giving you some hard time, like you, in that case you need to see a doctor. But generally lot of people, even I had also undergone it, and many people I have heard that they also undergo some hair loss, some flaky skin problems, and their skin suddenly changes from being oily to dry to oily, and that happens to many people. So I would say really don't stress about it, because if you'll stress about it, you will lose them more. So just sit back and relax and give it some time. 2 to 3 months to get it adapt to the environment, to the new environment, and it will get normal. And also the second thing is the reason that many people undergo hair losses. I am not sure about the east coast of the USA, but the west coast of the USA where I live, that is California, the water is very hard, like really hard. So in hard water, you are out to get some hair and skin problems. So unless it is really very worrisome that you are getting itchy skin and it's giving you hard time, you go and see the doctor. Otherwise it's normal, right? Don't get stressed about it. There are many options to circumvent this problem of hard water over here. जब आप यहाँ पर आएंगे तो will get to know that यहाँ सेम जो पानी नल में टैप में आता है, you are out to bring that water itself. But back in India we are not used to it, right? सो वो भी एक इशू है जिसको आप यहाँ पर आके यू विल कम अक्रॉस. So there are many kind of filters that you will get in the market over here for the hard water, so you can try them out, and I can talk about it in a separate video. That would be my next video, that I'll talk about the struggles of what are the struggles that you will face. But all in all, I can say is your hair and skin problems are out to happen. They will happen. Don't stress about it. Just sit back and relax. Give it some time to adapt to the new environment, and it will be good. And this brings us to the last topic of today. Last but not the least, but very, very, very important, like about your gold jewelry. So being a woman and a married woman, it is of utmost importance that we carry along our the jewelries, the gold jewelry, the diamond jewelry, the silver jewelries, whatever we have collected up till now. So what I can recommend you is, there is this website USCIS, US government की website है, customs की website है. Please do visit it before you are coming here and read about all the stuff that you are supposed to bring and not. In case of gold jewelry, if it is the cost of it is above 800k or 10,000k, basically I think it's 10k. If it is above 10k USD, then you are supposed to declare it before bringing it in the US. Be very mindful about bringing your gold jewelries and cash, because you will have to declare it. What I can recommend you is, आप उतना ही लाएं जितना आप पहन सकते हैं, and just don't bring all of them. You can keep it in back in India, or with your relatives, your parents, whosoever are there, in-laws, and just don't bring all of them. Bring some of them, so that you can wear them in over here in USA अपने festivals पे. बहुत सारे festivals, we have lots and lots of festivals, Indian festivals, so just bring few of them, and so that you can wear them here, and be mindful about what you're bringing. I hope you all really like this video. I hope I have given all the informations. If I have missed on any information, please do comment and let me know, and I will reply accordingly, or maybe take up that topic in our next upcoming videos. So I have planned a lot many videos about different stuffs. This was particularly about the female edition, the female stuff that we need to carry along with us. And the upcoming videos, I'll be talking about the household things, the kitchen things, the medicines, the clothes and whatnot that you need to bring along, and also about the stuff that you need to get done once you shift to USA. There are many stuff, so let's stay connected, and I hope you are liking my videos, and if you do, then please share with your other friends who might need the information, and subscribe to my channel if you like my other videos as well. So let's keep in touch, let's stay connected, stay cool and be happy, and I'll see you in the next videos. So up till then, bye.